Greeting folks, my name is Heinz Schaefer, Senior Vice President for Product and Strategy for Volkswagen Group of America. And I'm very excited to be with you here today to talk to you about our all-new family member, the all-new Volkswagen Taos. Now, the compact SUV segment is still one of the largest and one of the most fiercely competitive segments in the United States today. And it's for this reason that we've introduced the Volkswagen Taos to do battle in this segment alongside its larger sibling, the Tiguan. Now, the Taos is a perfect vehicle for somebody who's considering switching out of sedan and converting to SUV, or potentially a mid-size SUV customer looking for something a little bit smaller in terms of package, but for sure doesn't want to compromise in terms of technology and comfort. The Taos makes a bold first impression. The dynamic exterior design is accentuated by an aggressive front grille and rugged off-road stance, which makes the vehicle appear ready for an outdoor adventure or an evening on the town. In terms of lighting, the vehicle is equipped with standard LED headlights and available front LED light bar, along with adaptive front lighting system. Other options also include a large panoramic sunroof, available 18 and 19-inch wheels, along with these very cool black wheels you see on this vehicle, and also roof rails to add carriers for bikes or cargo. If we take a look at the side of the Taos, you'll see many SUV-like cues, and some of those include quite an upright B-pillar, a really strong muscular C-pillar. You'll notice some beautiful squared off wheel arches. You'll see some nice black cladding on the rocker panel, and all of this really combines to give the vehicle a real SUV-like stance. These beautiful, bold, rugged looks on the side also transcend to the front of the vehicle. And you can see, starting at the top over here, a really bold, sculpted hood. If you focus your attention also to the lower bumper, you'll notice this black glossy X, which really gives the vehicle quite a masculine stance. And you'll also see on the top trim with the advanced LED headlights, you'll notice a beautiful L-shaped LED signature, and gives the Taos a really beautiful glow at night. Now, whilst we're at the front, let's talk a little bit about what's under the hood. Something we're very proud of in the new Taos, that it is equipped with a new 1.5 TSI direct injection engine. And not only does this engine deliver 158 horsepower, but more impressively, 184 pound-foot of torque at no less than 1750 RPMs. One of the key features of this new great little engine too is the incredible fuel economy which it delivers. And this will really contribute to an excellent cost of ownership. Now let's switch our attention to the interior of the Taos. You can see an extremely spacious cabin. I'm 6'5", and this is a very pleasant, very comfortable space to be in. You'll see some beautiful leather surfaces with contrast stitching. This Taos, which is the top trim, is equipped with leather heated seat surfaces, and also you'll see this beautiful MQB steering wheel with all the buttons on the steering wheel and also heated for your convenience. Now, if we talk a little bit about technology in this car, this is fitted with wireless charging, so you can just dock your cell phone and it charges wirelessly, no cable needed. But for other users in the vehicle, we've also included 2 USB-C ports down here in the center console. If we move our attention a little bit upwards towards the top of the cabin, Taos is available with 10-color ambient lighting. And as you can see in front of me here, this is the beautiful 8-inch MIB infotainment. And one of the key features about the new MIB infotainment system is that this now works with wireless CarPlay. No longer need for use of cable. Wireless CarPlay works very well in this particular vehicle. One of the other features I think we're extremely proud of in the new Taos is that it comes standard with a digital cockpit, and CarNet is also available in the Taos for a period of 5 years. And for those who enjoy a little bit of loud music, we also have an available Beats audio system. Now, the new Taos is available with a suite of advanced driver assist features, including forward collision warning with autonomous braking, active blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control with stop and go feature. We also include high beam light control. We also have lane keeping system, travel assist, emergency assist, dynamic road sign display, and also rear park distance control. Now, one of the big features of the Taos is that it's got one of the longest wheelbases in the segment. And really this translates to comfort and space. In terms of legroom, we have 40.1 inches of legroom in the front and 37.9 in the rear. We also have quite an impressive cargo space with 66.3 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded down and 28.1 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. Now, the Taos will come in 3 trims with several optional packages available. If we start with the entry-level S trim, which is really jam-packed with equipment, this comes standard with Eco LED headlights, taillights and daytime running lights. The vehicle is equipped with 17-inch alloys and comes standard with a digital cockpit. The vehicle also has a 6.5-inch touchscreen with App Connect, Kessie Go push-button start, and also optional on this vehicle is the IQ Drive and all-weather packages. If we focus our attention to the second trim, our SE trim, this vehicle is upgraded with 18-inch alloy wheels as well as leatherette cloth seats. The vehicle also gets an 8-inch MIB3 touchscreen infotainment, wireless App Connect and wireless charging. The vehicle also comes with remote start and has the following available packages: panoramic sunroof, IQ Drive package and 18-inch black Lagomera wheels. Last but not least, our top trim, the SEL, is equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels on the all-wheel drive version and 18-inch black Lagomera wheels on the front-wheel drive version. The vehicle is also upgraded with ventilated front leather seats, navigation and an illuminated front grille. Last but not least, our SEL gets a heated steering wheel and is available with Beats audio. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new model year 22 Volkswagen Taos. What this vehicle really does is it gives you the design, the style, the package, and all the loaded content and features that you expect from a Volkswagen, all at an affordable entry-level price. And also a very affordable cost of ownership, which is something we're extremely proud of and something we'll talk a lot about. The model year 22 Taos will be available in dealer towards the back end of Q2 of 2021.